You can add a profile picture on your WhatsApp. Now, this is really simple. So before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Let's start. First, make sure that you have installed WhatsApp and then you have logged into it. And all you need to do for now, open up your WhatsApp. Now, after you've opened up your WhatsApp, make sure that you're on the settings panel. It's on the bottom right. And after you do that, click on your name on the top. Now, after you do so, there you'll see your name, your phone number, and about you. You need to tap on add photo or just your profile picture that you have right there. Tap on it, and then you can choose a photo or take a photo or even use an avatar. So we'll just take a photo right now. We'll just take a photo. As you can see, this is a really random photo. I'm going to use this photo, and done. You can just select a photo from your gallery too. It's much easier, and you can choose the one you like. And that's how you add a profile picture in a WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, just press the like button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.